Hey there, future moneymakers. Welcome back to our channel, Business Buzz. Today, we're going to share 5 top tips for high school students to earn extra income. So, if you're looking for ways to make some cash, keep watching. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our money-making tips. Tip number 1. Babysitting. Babysitting is a classic way for high school students to earn extra cash. You can set your own hours, and the pay is usually pretty good. Plus, who doesn't love hanging out with kids and playing games? To get started, ask friends and family if they know anyone who needs a babysitter. You can also advertise on local community boards or online. And don't forget to take a babysitting course to learn important skills and make yourself more competitive. Tip number 2. Tutoring. Are you a whiz at math, English, or any other subject? Turn your knowledge into cash by offering tutoring services to fellow students or even younger kids. You can set your own rates and schedule, and you'll be helping others succeed in school. Advertise your services at school, online, or in your community. And if you're really confident, try teaching small groups for an even higher income. Tip number 3. Selling crafts or art. Are you creative and love making things? Turn your passion into profit by selling your creations online or at local events. From handmade jewelry and accessories to digital art, there's a market for unique, one-of-a-kind items. Set up an online shop on Etsy or another platform and promote your work on social media. You'll be earning money and building a creative portfolio at the same time. Tip number 4. Pet sitting or dog walking. Tip number 4. Pet sitting or dog walking. If you love animals, this is the perfect way for you to earn extra income. Start by asking friends, family, or neighbors if they need help with their pets. You can also advertise your services on local community boards or online. And don't forget to charge a fair rate for your time and effort. And finally, tip number 5. Seasonal jobs and gig economy. Seasonal jobs and gig economy. Depending on the time of year, there may be seasonal job opportunities available that are perfect for high school students, like working at a local ice cream shop or holiday store. Or, you can sign up for gig economy platforms like TaskRabbit or Fiverr to offer short-term services like yard work, errand running, or graphic design. These platforms let you set your own rates and choose the tasks that fit your skills and interests. And there you have it, 5 top tips for high school students to earn extra income. Now it's time for you to get out there and start making that cash. Remember to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy money making.